Hey, greetings everyone and welcome to our simplified stock investment course. So today we are going to talk about income and income statement. We've already talked about a balance sheet, but just to sum up before we start, a business records all their transactions in three main documents. The first one is known as a balance sheet, which we've already discussed. The next one is a income statement, which we are going to discuss, and the last one is a cash flow statement, which we'll discuss next. So what is an income statement? An income statement records the revenue, that's the total amount that the business makes from its activities. Then the cost, the amount that is spent. Then last but not least, it records the profit. So the revenue, the total amount. For example, if a business deals in producing, let's say flour, for example, they spend a total of $50. Let's just use that as an example. So they spend $50 in production, then they sell the flour for $150. So the $150 that they sell the flour for is the revenue. Then the $50 is the cost. Then the difference between the two is the profit. So they get a profit of 100. That is the gross profit. Then they'll be required to pay tax. Let's say, for example, from their a profit of 100, they pay a tax of $10. They're left with $90. So the $90 is the net profit. Then they say net profit or net income per share is known as an earning per share. So for example, if you hold one share and after they divide the earnings by the total number of shares, for example, you get two, so each share receives a profit of 2. So the 2 is known as an earning per share. Then another thing that is important to note is that not of all the profit generated is given to the shareholders. Part of the profit remains in the business to fund growth. For example, a business makes a profit of 50 million, they pay out 20 million, 30 million remains in the business to fund profit. So not all the profit is given out, and that can be seen, for example, for a particular business. If you want to know how much money is remaining in the business, for example, a business, if a particular share has an earning per share of $2 and they are paying out a dividend of $1, it means that the difference $1 remains in the business to fund business, to run operations and fund growth. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, turn on the notification button to receive more videos from us. Thank you.